Mastering clauses. The power of independence in English grammar. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English grammar and unravel the mysteries of independent clauses. They are the building blocks of our sentences, and understanding them is key to making your sentences more meaningful and interesting. Let's get started. A clause, simply put, is a group of words that contains a subject and a predicate. The subject is what the clause is about, and the predicate tells something about the subject. For instance, in the sentence, "The dog barks," the dog is the subject, and barks is the predicate. Together, they form a clause. Now, let's explore what we mean by independent clauses. An independent clause is a type of clause that can stand alone as a sentence. It is a complete thought and doesn't need any other clause to make sense. Independent clauses are sometimes referred to as main clauses. Consider these examples. 1. She reads books. 2. I love pizza. These are independent clauses because they don't rely on anything else to be understood. They have a subject, she, I, and a predicate, reads books, love pizza, and they express a complete thought. Independent clauses also play vital roles in compound and complex sentences. A compound sentence is made up of two or more independent clauses joined by coordinating conjunctions like and, but, or, so, etc. For example, 1. She reads books, and I love pizza. A complex sentence is made up of one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. A dependent clause also has a subject and predicate, but unlike independent clauses, they can't stand alone as they don't express a complete thought. For example, 1. I eat when I am hungry. 2. Because she loves to read, she often visits the library. In these examples, I eat, and she often visits the library, are independent clauses, while when I am hungry, and because she loves to read, are dependent clauses. And that wraps up our discussion on independent clauses. With these foundations, you are well on your way to understanding and constructing more sophisticated sentences in English. Remember, the power of language comes not from memorization, but from understanding. Thanks for joining me today, and happy learning. Don't forget, grammar is the road, communication is the destination. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.